Hello friends, welcome to my channel She Says Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful Indian style scarf for 8-year-old child. This is very easy. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very quickly. We are using here only double crochet, half double crochet and the single crochet stitches. So if you are watching my tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. So without further delay, let's start our project. So for this project, I have taken here the yarn. This is from Himalaya brand, super soft yarn, hook size which is 5 mm, a measuring tape and a pair of scissors. So we'll start this project with the slip knot, and then I'm going to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and to the second chain from the hook, inside the hook like this, and make a single crochet, and to the next inside the hook and make a single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one it is here. Turn the project into the very first inside the hook and make 1 single crochet, into the second inside the hook and make 1 single crochet, 2, into the third and into the fourth, into the last, that's the fifth one. Let's make 1 single crochet. Again turn the project into the very first 1 single crochet, into the second 1 single crochet, into the third 1 single crochet, into the fourth 1 single crochet, into the fifth 1 single crochet. So same like this we are going to continue till we get a desired length for our strap. Turn the project into the very first 1 single crochet, into the second 1 single crochet, into the third, fourth and the fifth one. So here we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Here I have made 26 rows of the same pattern, 5 single crochets in each row. So let's measure. This comes like 7.5 inches. Now we are going to do the increase. For that, let's turn the project into the very first. We'll make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and to the next 2 single crochets, and to the next 2 single crochets, and to the next 2 single crochets. We got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and into the last we'll make 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Turn the project and to the very first we'll make 1, 2, 2 single crochets, and to the next 2 single crochets, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and to the last 19 and 20. So we got here 20 single crochet stitches. Now let's turn the project, and to the very first we'll make 1 single crochet, and to the next 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 1 and into the next 2, 1 and then 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and to the next 1 and into the last we'll make 2, 1, 2. So we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 single crochet stitches for this row. Now turn the project and to the very first insert the hook like this under this 2 loop, make 1 single crochet and then into the back loop, not here, into this back loop insert the hook and make 1 single crochet, into the next make 1 single crochet, into the next make 1 single crochet, into each back loop we are making 1 single crochet. Here it is. One single crochet. Into each back loop we are making 1 single crochet. So in this round we will have 30 single crochet stitches. We are not going to continue with the 30 single crochet stitches till we get our desired size for the project. So if you want to increase the size, you can do the next row with 2 1 2 1 like that, so that you will get a little wider scarf. And to the last we'll make under this 2 loop inside the hook and make 1 single crochet. For the next row, let's turn the project, insert the hook into this, make 1 single crochet, into the second loop of this single crochet, 1 single crochet, yarn over, insert the hook under this 2 loop and make 1 half double crochet, into this 1 half double crochet. So you are making into each stitch 1 half double crochet. Under this 2 loop we'll insert and make a half double crochet. And to the last insert the hook and make 1 half double crochet. Let's turn the project. Now into the very first we'll make 1 single crochet, and then into the back loop we are going to make 1 single crochet. Into each single crochet we are making single crochet, 1 single crochet, that into the back loop like this. In each row we will get 30 stitches only. One row we will make with the single crochet and the other we will do with the half double crochet. Single crochet always we will make into the back loop, half double crochet we will make normally. Into the last we'll make normal single crochet. Now let's turn the project. Into the very first we'll make one single crochet, into the second loop we'll make one single crochet, yarn over, into the next we'll make half double crochet, into each stitch one half double crochet. So we'll make this row with the half double crochet and the next row with the single crochet. So friends, here I have finished few more rows. It measures from here to here 12 inches. Now we are going to do the degrees. For that, into the very first we'll make one single crochet, into the next we'll do a degree. So inside the hook and pull the yarn, again inside the hook into the next and pull the yarn. So we got here 3 loops. Let's close this here, and then into the next we'll make one single crochet. Next we will do the degrees, one single crochet, 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 degrees, into the next one single crochet, and then we have 2 single crochets. We'll do a degrees. Let's turn the project. Now into the very first we'll make one single crochet, but we will not close. Into the next we'll make one more, we'll close together. We're doing degrees, 2 single crochets together we'll make a degrees. We will collect 3 loops and do the degrees. Turn the project onto the very first, pull the yarn into the next, degrees. Degrees. So we got here 1 2 3 4 5 stitches. Now let's turn the project. Into the first we'll make one single crochet, second one single crochet, 3 4, and into the last one single crochet. Again turn the project. Here into the very first we'll make one single crochet, into the second one, third one, fourth one, and into the last the fifth one. Again let's turn the project. One single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 4 5. Now we started with the strap, so we'll continue few more rounds like same like this. We will repeat the single crochet stitches till we get a desired size for the length for the strap. So into the last also I made one single crochet. Let's make one small chain and then we'll snip off this here. So the strap also ready here, same like the other side. These excess yarns also we will snip it off. So here the scarf for 8-year-old child is ready. I really hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial very well. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So we'll see you on another video with a new pattern. Thank you.